A full-page news published in the Times of India Mumbai edition claiming the signage implemented at Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus, Mumbai as the ideal signage for railway stations across India has triggered this article. The signage design has been so admired that its design strategy has found its place in policy document issued by the Ministry of Railways. It is a big disappointment and very disheartening to see such an unscientific, unstructured project becoming a national inspiration. It really puts question mark on the benchmarks that we set as Indian Railways to create a good passenger experience. The second news that caused me to write this article or probably record this video is Indian Railways publishing a signage design policy or a signage design standard for railway station. I will share my observations on the document in the next note. Railways Ministry seems to be in some sort of rush and has hastily put together this document. It is beyond one's logical reasoning to imagine signage becoming such an urgent necessity that railways did not give enough time to develop it in a structured and a scientific manner. After all, it had a huge task to do justice for signs across the stations from Arunachal Pradesh and Assam to Gujarat, or maybe down south in Kanyakumari till Jammu and even further. So the kind of diversity you can imagine of language, people, demography, station architecture, and the overall context of the city and the station makes a huge difference of how the signages work. Before making any comments, I made it a point to go to the station and first-hand experience the signs. It was to ensure that my views are based on studying and observing the installed signage and not based on looking at photographs. The only good point in the installed signs is the use of vibrant colors, which are used to classify suburban harbour, suburban mainline and long-distance mail express platforms. This is supported by big and bold numbers identifying the platforms. These two colors are so bright, vibrant, illuminated and huge that everyone from the press to the Ministry of Railways is awestruck and feel that this is the best in India. No doubt it is making the otherwise chaotic station environment very vibrant, but the whole point is that it overshadows any possibility to understand them on scientific principles, basic principles of graphic design, wayfinding and signage design in response to commuter and passenger needs, and it falls short on holistically addressing signage across the entire station. It is done in extremely small parts. There is a science behind wayfinding signage design, but it always gets obscured with a perception that wayfinding signage is a common sense and it's more as a placeholder and add beauty to the station. While there are capable designers, not contractors or vendors, who specialize in this domain and can bring scientific inclusive approach to design. However, there is no evidence that any designer has been consulted into this exercise. In the next video note, I'll come back with my observations on what could have been done better. Thank you.